Hi, I'm Sebastian. For years, I traded the closing auction, the single biggest trade of the day. In Europe, the close can be a third of all daily volume and has one brutal flaw. To trade it, you have to show your hand. The moment your order hits the market, everybody sees you coming, and the price moves against you from slippage and front running. I built CrossDesk to fix that. For tokenized assets, it's a sealed atomic multi-party auction desk on Canton Network. Sealed orders stay hidden until they trade. Atomic assets and payments move in one transaction, both sides or nothing. Multi-party banks, funds, and market makers are one shared ledger. And on top of it, an ETH engine that creates and redeems fund shares on-chain at an official price with no single company controls. This is LX1, a live fund I defined on-chain. One share holds a slice of wrapped ETH and a slice of wrapped Bitcoin, and its price, $970, is computed by the ledger from the assets inside it. Watch what happens when I create 10 shares. My ETH and Bitcoin move into the fund's custody, and 10 shares appear in my position. That was one transaction. The assets and the shares moved together, one neither would have. No fund administrator, no settlement window, no counterparty risk. And redemption is the mirror. Shares in, assets out, instantly. The SEC approved this in-kind creation and redemption for crypto ETFs in 2025. A fund lives and dies by one number, its NAV. Normally, a single admin calculates it, but everyone just trusts them. Tokenizing the fund doesn't fix that, it just moves the same blind trust on-chain. So in CrossDesk, the price needs a committee. One member proposes, another signs, and only after the 2 or 3 signatures does the official price comes in. Below that, there's no price, not a pending price, none. The contract enforces it. I'm playing all the roles for this video. In production, each member is a separate company running its own automatic signer. Nobody prints the number alone. And where does the price come from? A market, but a sealed one. This is the part I traded for a living and rebuilt without its flaw. Alice sends a buy, Bob sends a sell. Now look at Bob's book, his own order and one sealed order he cannot read. On a public blockchain, both would be visible before they traded, and bonds would eat them alive. Here, only the auction operator sees the full book. It runs the cross both bill and one fair price, the price committee sign. You cannot front run a price that doesn't exist yet. Now, proof I promise. Every settlement leaves a receipt, and the ledger decides who may see each one. The parties in the trade plus the auditor, nobody else. Watch as the bank, these trades don't exist. As the auditor, they appear. Hidden before the trade, private after. Not a policy, an architecture. Step back and look at what just happened. A fund was defined, priced, issued, and redeemed entirely on-chain on a shared network in minutes. The NAV was struck by a committee, fed by an auction nobody could front-run, settled without a single moment of counterparty risk. That's the full life cycle of an ETF. The thing that takes an administrator, custodian, and days of reconciliation in the real world, running as one connected system on Canton. Trillions in funds are coming on chain, and they'll need this layer. CrossDesk is the fund factory for tokenized assets.